Yo, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you today how I'm going to style muscle t-shirts in all kinds of occasions. So stay tuned. So this is my chic look. You need a little oversized plain muscle t-shirt. Keep it plain because when you pair it with ripped jeans, it's like you're casual, but you want to add the nude heels to upgrade the look. Like I was going for the KHLOE Kardashian Celeb vibe. Okay, so this is a very relaxed look. Like you don't want to put your deodorant on, kinda. You gotta air that ish. So pairing it with some high-waisted denim shorts. Since I don't know how to put a bun, I would say it looked really cute with a messy bun and some Ray-Bans. I don't know, kind of like a teen mature vibe to it. Alright, so say you want to go out, but your pajama shirt is definitely like my pajama shirt. Pair it with some high-waisted denim pants. So if the top is black or white, wear it with black denim. If the whole outfit is black or black and white, keep the shoes neutral with either an open toe heel or a nude pointed heel. So you're probably thinking I'm crazy. Yeah, muscle tee for office look, like it can work. Alright, hear me out. So if your top is black or dark color, wear white pants for contrast as seen here. If you have white or light colored top, then black pants. If you have a conservative office look, then add a boyfriend blazer. Match the pants color with the heels. Okay, so this is my go-to look. I would knot the muscle tee so that your side boob shows. If you're not comfortable, that's cool. You can pair it with a contrasting sports bra. Pair it with the high-waisted black gym leggings and make sure the shoes match with the leggings because the focal point is the muscle tee. See how it shows off my shoulders and my water guns? Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. Okay. So if you guys enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below which one was your favorite look, and any suggestions, comments you want to see in the next video, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.